Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I'm here with the reveal and inspiration of our creepy Halloween kit for 2021. This is a super limited edition kit for Stamptember, and it's full of fun stuff to make a craft project. The main feature in this kit is a grapevine wreath, and it measures about 9.5 to 10 inches depending on how it's wrapped. You'll also receive a full package of the Tim Holtz Ideology Halloween paper dolls. There are 61 pieces in this pack that include vintage images of adults, children, groups of children, also some twins, which are really great for Halloween. Really fun to work with for your project. You'll also receive a package of the Tim Holtz Ideology Halloween words, and there are two large circular tokens and then also some small plates and little singular words that you can add to your project or cards. You'll receive a bag of some goodies to put onto your wreath or your cards, and I'll start off with a cauldron, which is black with a little silver overlay. You'll also receive some leaves, and there's about 12 pieces in total, so you get different colors and different sizes. Also a witch's broom and a couple of charms that are a spider and a skull and crossbones. You'll also receive some black soot distress spray in a 1-ounce bottle that you can use to stain your wreath or cardstock. We're also including a jar of Tim Holtz's new texture pastes in either Grave or Crypt. To help you glue everything down, we're including a 1/2 ounce of the multi-medium matte glue in an applicator bottle. And for a fun paper idea, we're including a full roll of the Tim Holtz Ideology Halloween collage tissue paper, and this is 6 inches tall and there's 6 yards on the roll. We have some strings for you. This is a 30-yard pack of Dory's black jute and some white floss. And finally, 2 sheets of Tim Holtz metallic cardstocks in champagne and also black onyx, and these are 8 by 8. And up next, I have some inspiration using the contents of the kit. I created a wreath where I sprayed it with the black soot distress spray. I also created a spider web on the back side using the black jute and my hot glue gun, and then I added my elements on top, creating a ribbon from the collage tissue paper. I also created a card, and I've used some of the adult paper dolls as a mask for the distress sprays to create ghostly figures in the background for my other paper dolls and message. Sharon Brandon created her wreath, and she sprayed her leaves with the distress spray, and then she placed one of her dolls onto the broom, created a bow from the tissue paper, and added a round token to the center. Sharon also created a card using the metallic champagne paper with an embossing folder and added some children on top with a metal adornment. And finally, Sharon created a tag using some of the texture paste, the metal adornments, a charm, the collage tissue paper, and also the paper dolls on top to finish it off. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our creepy craft kit for Stamptember 2021. Remember, this is limited edition and only available while supplies last.